of plus 2. Now in this video we will find the lens formula for the thin lenses. What is lens formula? It is simply the relation between distance of object, distance of image and focal length. Firstly we come to the lens formula for the convex lens but for the real image, and this is the formula, this is the diagram कि when the object is beyond f, कहीं भी हम रखें तो image is always real, and AB is the object, and this is the how the images are formed, as I told you in the last video. But now here we are discussing about the formula, and in this way, and this AC क्या है? This is the distance of object, and this is U, and A dash C, this is the distance of image, and this is V, and FC, F is the principal focus in the convex lens, and this is focal length F. And we are observing here the triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash C are similar. So by putting the similar triangle property that ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, so we can take AB upon A dash B dash must be equal to AC upon A dash C, as we have written this AB upon A dash B dash AC upon A dash C. And the triangle CDF and triangle A dash B dash F both are similar because these two are the vertical opposite angles and one is the 90-degree angle. Again taking the same case, the CD upon A dash B dash will be equal to CF upon A dash F, and this we have written. And now CD is equal to AB, and that's why this left hand sides are equal to there, and it becomes this, and CF upon FA dash, and hence their right hand side will also be equal. But FA dash we are observing here, that is not the distance from the center of the optical center, and here we are breaking this distance A dash F. तो A dash F को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? As students you can see in the diagram, A dash C minus CF. And now we are taking FA dash equal to CA dash minus CF and putting the in the formula. CA is the distance of object and it is minus U. As I told you in the case of the mirrors, the sign conventions, CA dash is the plus V and CF is plus F. By putting the values in the formula, and then we come to this form, and then we divide it by UVF and we come to this form, and this is the formula 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon U. And now if we have to find the magnification, magnification is equal to distance of a length of image upon length of object. This is A dash B dash upon AB, और corresponding triangles में किसके equal था ये? A dash C upon AC. And image is here inverted, that's why we have taken negative sign, minus H2 upon H1 equal to A dash C क्या था? V, and AC is minus U, and hence H2 upon H1 equal to V upon U. And in the case of lenses, this is the lens formula 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U, and this is the magnification formula M is equal to V upon U. जो mirrors में था, that was the formula M is equal to minus V upon U, but in lenses it is V upon U. And now the lens formula for the virtual image in the convex lens. This is the ray diagram of the virtual image. When the object is placed between F and optical center, then the image is virtual, as I explained you earlier. And again we are taking the same cases, the triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash C both are similar, and AB upon A dash B dash will be equal to AC upon A dash C, and this is the formula AB upon A dash B dash equal to CA upon CA dash. And now triangle CDF and triangle A dash B dash F both are similar, and again CD upon A dash B dash equal to CF upon A dash F, and this is, but A dash F जो है, that is not the distance from the C. We have to break it here. तो what we can write to A dash F? A dash F को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? A dash C plus CF. Yes students, see, A dash C plus CF. And now we are putting it A dash C plus CF in this equation. and their left hand sides are again equal, and that's why, and we can put their right hand sides equal. CA is the distance of object minus U, CA dash is minus V, and CF is plus F. And again putting the values here, and we come to this form UV minus UF is equal to minus VF, and then by dividing it UVF, and then again we get the formula 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. And again we can get the formula for the magnification also, and then it will be M is equal to V upon U. Now come to the case of the concave lens. Concave lens में image is always virtual, and if we put the object here AB, and this is the ray diagram how the images are formed, and this A dash B dash is the virtual image, it is in between F and C. So that's why AC is the distance of object, A dash is the distance of image, and FC is the focal length. Again we are observing here triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash both are similar. सिमिलर हैं तो वही corresponding sides की रेशो इक्वल होगी, AB अपॉन A dash B dash इक्वल टू AC अपॉन A dash C. And this is, and again the triangle A dash B dash F and CDF both are similar, and taking their corresponding sides ratio equal, and we come to the this form CD upon A dash B dash equal to CF upon A dash F. But CD equal to AB, and that's why their left hand sides are equal, and that's why their right hand sides will also be equal. But again we are observing here that this A dash F is the distance, it is not from the optical center. We can break it, A dash F equal to CF minus A dash C. This is A dash F. A dash F को क्या लिख सकते हैं, CF minus A dash C. And putting it in the formula CA equal to minus U, A dash C equal to minus V, and CF in the minus F. And again we come to this form, and proceeding in the same way we get the formula 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. So always the lens formula is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F. And if we find the magnification, we again come to the same formula M is equal to V upon U.